Hello. Anyway, I thought this might interest some of you guys and girls in regards to sort of affiliate provider called Evadav or leading in ads. I'm always basically on the lookout for sort of different affiliate providers to see if they're any good or not. I was basically want to try out quite a few of them in regards to seeing if any of them are say better than say AdSense or other affiliate providers. I'm always on the lookout for new ones. So anyway, I tried joining this firm today, which I thought, okay, we'll see how it goes. And they kept rejecting my ads and then claiming apart. I don't know the name I do own, but okay, fair enough. I guess it's for people for you. So I kept basically trying to get this thing. So then I said, so why is that case this thing get rejected? And then she claimed, apparently I don't own the domain when I do. And then she was basically trying to tell me how I'm supposed to fix the mistakes I made. If you're going to be an affiliate provider, you have to have a service which works. If the service doesn't work, then you need to fix your service or stop doing it. One of the things I've noticed in many different firms with regard to being so-called affiliate offer providers, the majority of you as a whole provide awful service. This is what I found in basically all cases I've ever dealt with. I mean, for me, if I'm going to say who my two favourite affiliate providers have been, people who've always been the best to me, I would say AdSense as a whole, I've had more or no issues with it. If anything goes wrong, you can quite easily find out the answer yourself, either simply a Google search. You can, if the need comes, contact someone else who has an AdSense site and get help you want. There's not really any direct support, but you can generally find out a solution to it quite quickly. Max Bounty as a whole, I've done work with a few times. They have as a whole been really great. Their support team is, in my experience, basically always amazing. I've not really ever had any issues with them. They're pretty good as a whole. But in general, finding good affiliate providers, I'm finding it's becoming harder and harder to get, or unfortunately almost impossible, because this one here, it could have worked well, but it's not because of bad service. One of the ones I used before, which you may have heard of, they were originally called AdFly. AdFly, the fact you had with AdFly compared to other ones is they'll basically more accept any site. So if, for example, you go to an adult site or something like that, they depend generally accept or anything else. Another reason quite a lot of people joined AdFly was you basically get accepted almost instantly, which is quite cool. The main disadvantage of AdFly is you didn't get paid as much money, but they have, I believe, been bought by a firm called Link Vertices or Verticize. I think they say it. So I was going to try them out, and then if they're pretty good, I'll do a review of them to see if anyone wants to join them. But so far, since I joined their new website, it seems to work really good. One thing I would credit AdFly with before, their service was really good. I never had any issues with them. So if you want to try something new, you may want to try out Link Verticize. It's not pretty say it wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a good day and a good week. Bye.